Here's a pair of Sony headphones, model number WH-CH520. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a MacBook or iMac via Bluetooth. First thing is go to your Bluetooth settings. You can just click on the Apple logo, top left-hand side, and we're going to go down to System Settings right there. And then from here, you want to go to tap on Bluetooth right here. And now if I scroll down under nearby devices, you can see this little spinny thing here. It's searching for devices that are in pairing mode near me. Okay, so now we got to put these in a pairing mode. So if we look at these headphones, on one of the ear cups, you have 3 buttons here. All right, you have like a volume up, power/Bluetooth, volume down. All we're going to do is use the power button, okay? And to put this in, once we put this in pairing mode, we'll know it's pairing mode when it's blinking down here, blue, 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 blue. Okay, so we'll do it together. Power button here, press and hold, ready, set, go. Press and hold, keep holding until we see blue, blue. Still holding. Still holding here. Up, blue, 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 there, blue, blue. There it is. Okay, so now we're going to come back on here. And voila, it found it, the WH-CH520 right down here. So I'm going to go ahead down here and then make sure you click on connect. And then once we're connected, you can see it says connected right there, and I have 100% battery juice on here. So there we go, we're connected and ready to go. Now, if you had issues where you couldn't pair or you had trouble connecting, you can always reset these as well. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description, all right?